Homework and remembering. Unit 2, Lesson 7, talking about some properties of adding and subtracting, and also multiplication here in some spots as well, looking at the distributive property. These properties are not only important to 5th grade, but you'll be using these through middle school and through high school and even a little bit at the college level as well in algebra. So you need to understand these properties. Let's look at number 3. On the homework side, we have 7/10 plus 3/4 plus 1/4. And they want us to find the sum of that. Now, if it's talking about the associative property, and just to give you some more background on that, the associative property tells us that A plus B plus C, let's say we do A plus B first, that's gonna equal D, whatever the answer D is, whatever these variables equal. It tells us that if we do A plus B plus C, if we add B and C first, then A, we're still gonna get D. So what it's telling us is that we can group things within our addends, and we can add things differently. So we could add A and C, then B, and still get D. Or we can add B and C first, then add A, and still get D. So it's not going to change our answer, our sum. Adding works with the associative property. Now subtraction would not work for associative. Division would not work for associative. But adding and multiplication do. So let's try number 3. And we're going to go to a new blank slide here. So let me rewrite this original problem. 7/10 plus 3/4 plus 1/4. So the 7/10 and 3/4 is like our A and B in the original problem, or the original slide previous to this one. And the 1/4 is like our C. And our answer, which we don't know, is our question mark, or D. So let's say we wanted to regroup this a different way. Using our associative property, let's say we wanted to put our parentheses around 3/4 and 1/4, because parentheses tell us to do those things first. Whatever's inside parentheses, according to the order of operations, we must do what's inside of them first. So what's really nice about these parentheses and regrouping them to this part is to see that we can add, because we have 4 and 4 as common denominators. So 3 plus 1 is 4/4. So we have 7/10 plus 4/4, but I'm going to write that as 1 whole. Okay? 4/4, 1 whole, is equal to 1 and 7/10. So that's your answer there. These properties are important. Google them, YouTube these properties. They have videos all over the place online to help you. Hopefully this helped you understand the associative a little bit better.